Alright, this is just a quick video overview of how I put together the OpenHaldex S3. This is it. That's the entire thing. And all we need is the LilyGo T2 can ESP32 S3 and 2 wired connectors. These are the 6-pin connectors that stay underneath the rear seat next to the driver's side fuel cover. And super easy to wire up. So on these connectors, just match the wires up with your car. That's it. Orange and black is your can high. Orange and brown, that's your can low. And that's really all you need to figure out. So our brake wire, we don't really mess with our brakes, so we just pass that straight through. You see that just goes from connector to connector. It does not touch the board. We don't mess with it. Your power and ground come up here, and for both connectors, you see this is both my power wires and this is both my ground wires. Both power wires connect into the 12 volt 24 volt power supply, and both grounds connect right over here to the ground, and that allows the LilyGo just to receive power and then pass the power right back to the Haldex. So both power and grounds go in here, tighten them down. That's it. For our can, so this guy right here, this is going to go back to the Haldex, and this guy right here, all right, yeah, this guy right here is going to go to the chassis, which will be going up towards the front of the vehicle. So on each connector, just get the can high and can low wires and connect them right there. Can B, this is the chassis. Can A, this is the Haldex. So the connector going towards the back of the vehicle, which is right there. Can high, can low on the A. The one going up to the chassis, can high, can low on the B. And we're done. That's the entire wiring. To flash it, we have these 2 little buttons right here. The easiest way that I've found to do this is I just roll my fingers across there. What we got to do is we got to plug in our USB and then press that guy, and then hold that guy, and then release that guy, and then release that guy. So sort of like that. But what I do is I just roll my finger across, and that'll do the whole thing. It's ready to flash. Plug in your USB, go to the website, click install, and that's it. It'll open up a wireless network that you can connect to called OpenHaldex S3, and then you just open your browser, go to either openhaldex.local or 192.168.4.1, and that will pull up the control panel. And yeah, that's the entire thing. Just go plug it in, pull it up on your phone, done.